Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're going to show you our 68 Chevy El Camino. Nice car, paint, it's had a repaint at one time. We just got done buffing it. Shines really good. As you can see some reflections of me in it. And bumper is probably original cut, but most of the trim on it I'd say is original, but still looks good. There you can see my reflection. So you can see it's got a good paint on it. And there you can see a reflection of the trees and stuff. So nice car. I don't see any rust. There's the only scratch I really found, and that was too deep to really buff out. So there's a smaller one right there. But for the most part, not very many flaws. We did a new seat in it. Headliner's been done. Dash pad's all good on it. New carpet. So 327 4-speed. Bed's been done in a Line X or from a bed covering. So it's a really nice car. Runs and drives good. We just put new weather strip on the doors. So it's kind of all ready to go. A little bit more work to it. Set the brakes up and look at the fuel gauge, but we'll get them looked at. So a really nice car. If you're looking for doors shut nice, if you're looking for a 68, 69 El Camino, this one definitely above average driver quality. So there's any questions? 605-695-7391.